Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Matt. Welcome back to my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe. So in this video, I'll be talking about the Dosh app. It's a referral program. You could earn up to $10 per referral. Also, there's another way you could earn money, and that's the cash back program. Now, the way you get started with that is you just simply create a free account, connect your everyday card to Dosh, and get automatic cash back from brands. And then the different programs involved, or different companies, sorry, it's Walmart, Instacart, Pizza Hut. It's a lot of different programs as well too. Now the way you could promote this is th 3 or 4 different ways. You could create a YouTube video like I'm doing, or you could go to a Facebook group and join one of these online make money online groups and do it that way. Or you could go to a search engine website like Quora and just type in how does cashback work, or how does cashback work, and then all you have to do is go in here, answer these questions. Now I'd rather do it by past day or past week, and then find it that way. Also, you go into Craigslist, and instead of paying for ads now, because you have to pay for ads, you could just go down to resumes, and then you could just go down the list and let them know. You could post it as, or you could do it as a work from home opportunity, or you could explain it as a side hustle while they look for another job or while they're working their current job. You could do it that angle as well too, right? Also, you could actually get cash back from hotels as well too. Over 600,000 hotels across the country. Now, if you have any other questions or want to know more, just click the link below in the description.